Oh, I love that smell of fresh lime. It reminds me of being on a beach in Mexico. I love it. Hello everyone, my name is Jason Rice. I'm the Food Lab Coordinator here at the School of Hospitality at MSU Denver. And today we are cooking up grilled ají amarillo chicken. Why? Because it's National Grilling Month and I love this recipe. Oh, and to go along with that chicken, we've got a spicy cilantro sauce. And joining me today is Chef Paula Thomas. Hi Chef, how are you doing today?
I'm good, how are you?
Good. You know, Chef Thomas was telling me about a sauce that's similar to what I am making that's from Colombia.
So the sauce is called ají and is made with a small bird-sized chili, cilantro, garlic, scallions, vinegar, and oil. So similar to a chimichurri, but spicy.
Yeah, and that's kind of what we're doing here today too. That was my influence of doing this sauce, is that chimichurri sauce. A lot of variations of the chimichurri sauce. You know, obviously throughout Latin America then.
Delicious.
Now, you'll be teaching some classes in the fall too, right?
Yes, I'll be teaching Intro to Hospitality, cooking skills, basic cooking skills, and food preservation techniques.
Fantastic. Can't wait for the fall. It's going to be so much fun. Let's get right into this recipe.
Let's get into the recipe. I'm excited.
We'll start with some chopped garlic, some sliced scallions, white part only. We'll use the green parts later on for our sauce. Smoked paprika, some cumin.
Best flavors together.
Yum, yum. A little bit of coriander. And then we'll do our dark chili powder. Now to that, we're gonna add our ají amarillo paste. You can find this at King Soopers, usually in the Latin American food section. Spicy, slightly sweet flavor to it. It's a very wonderful chili.
So you'll see it a lot in Peruvian cooking.
Now we're gonna dump in buttermilk. I like to use it because it adds a tang, and it also has properties that help tenderize the chicken. We'll do a little salt as well.
That looks delicious.
It's a beautiful little marinade here. Actually, I think if we added some sour cream to this, we could actually make a sauce with that.
That's what I was just thinking.
And we will add our chicken legs and thighs to the marinade here. Now we're gonna let this marinate for 24 hours. So now we're gonna put together our cilantro sauce. So we're going to do about 1 bunch of fresh cilantro. Don't worry about picking the leaves, we can add in the stems. Do 1 whole jalapeno with the seeds and the pith removed. 4 green scallions reserved from earlier when we made the marinade from our chicken. 3 garlic cloves. 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, really give it that umami flavor. 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar. Lime juice of 1 medium lime. So again, this is gonna have quite a bit of acid to it. Plus we've got that tang from the buttermilk on the chicken marinade and that spiciness and all those wonderful earthy spices from the chili and the cumin. And then we'll put in 1/3 cup of sour cream. We're gonna put our lid on and we're gonna slowly start to puree everything. We'll check for consistency here. Oh yeah. And then we'll grill our chicken and we'll serve it up. So I'm going to season the grill here a little bit. Creates a nice little coating on our grill grate so our chicken doesn't stick as bad to it. A little bit of oil there. And we'll take our ají amarillo marinated chicken here. We'll go straight down onto the grill grates. We're gonna let our boneless thighs here cook for about 8 to 10 minutes. And we're letting our bone-in legs cook for about 12 to 15 minutes here. And so we want to make sure that both of our legs and thighs here reach about 165 degrees Fahrenheit. We'll put these out on here on this board. This is great for a small group. Maybe a few of your favorite beers, maybe your favorite cocktail of some sort.
Some veggies.
Grilled vegetables, grilled scallions here. A few pieces of some fresh cilantro just for a little garnish. So that looks yummy.
Well, it looks wonderful. I can't wait to dig in.
I can't wait to taste it. It really, man, it smells so great. Reminds me of eating food on the beach, actually. You know?
Being out, enjoying with family and friends. Sounds awesome.
All right, there you go.
Thank you, Jason.
Ají amarillo chicken with a spicy cilantro sauce. You're welcome. Thank you very much for joining us.